I'm back to show you my container find of the week. This one is absolutely my favorite of all times that I found. I like clear containers. So that's a lot of times what I'm doing. If you don't like clear containers, it's easy not to put things in here. But this is Hobby Lobby that I found this one at. And I do look other places, but this is where I'm at right now. This bin is 14 inches long, 14 inches. That will hold a lot of stuff. I use it for my scrapbook paper. I'll show you in a few minutes. It is also 5 inches tall and 5 inches wide here. So $4.99. Where else can you get a container this size? You can use this in the kitchen. You can use it in the bathroom. Roll your washcloths up and put it in here. Your socks, put them on a shelf. This thing will hold so much stuff. But let me show you what I use mine for. When I make my mini kits, I have one of these over there. I have a lot of these. I went today and bought 6 of them. That's all I had on the shelves, but you can order them as well. But anyway, so when I make my mini kits, I put them in one of these. I also have the way I sort my photos. I have a container for each person in my family, one for me and my husband, just divided up, and they're all labeled on the side. So when I finish my scrapbook layouts, that was upside down. When I finish my scrapbook layouts, then I put the ones in here in different ones so that I know which notebook they need to go into. So I put those in there. Look at that little cutie. That little thing's been sick the last couple of days. I hope he feels better soon. This is his twin. They're about to get ready to go on vacation pretty soon. And my daughter and her chili. However, it will also hold kits. My goal is to get enough of these so that I can put all of my paper in here. My blues, my pinks, my greens, my yellows, my kits, my female, everything. And then they fit on one of the cubes. I keep them on a cube, Iris bin things from, that place that has those. You get it from Walmart, Amazon, IKEA. That's the place, IKEA. So this one is literally one of my favorite ones. I use this all the time, so I hope this helps. I'll leave a link in the description. Bye, everybody.